Hey guys, welcome back. So join me on this video to see how I made this beautiful, very easy body scrub. Welcome to my channel. So for this scrub, I'll first have my oil, my carrier oil here. I use sunflower oil. But then I won't be using only oil here. I have my glycerin. Glycerin is actually a humectant and it's not totally water. It will help to keep the skin soft and hydrated. I'm also adding Dimethicone because I want this to be able to get into the skin, also have a great feel, and that will give me a very beautiful scrub. So I'm mixing these, and next is going to be my white granulated sugar. I'm going to have my white granulated sugar poured in here bit by bit until they are all soaked up in the oil. If you really don't like running scrubs, then this measurement is perfect for you because the scrub was just okay, wasn't too running and wasn't too dry. You can also use brown sugar for this, but why I like using white sugar is because I want to really make any color of my choice, because if I use brown sugar, I might not be able to change the color. You can also use spa salt or sea salt. Whatever is your preference is just fine. Whichever one is best for you. Okay, so after adding my sugar, I'm going to mix very well until they are well incorporated. So after this, I'm going to add my vitamin E oil. You can use the capsules. Here I used alpha D tocopherol oil. This is also available in stock. You can see description box on how to purchase your ingredients. And then I'm adding my preservative and my essential oil. Here I used red raspberry essential oil, but you can use any essential oil of your choice. I used this because of the nice fragrance I wanted it to be. And then I also added a pink color to match the fragrance and also to make it look more beautiful. Here I used deep pink mica pigments. A pinch of this pigment was very okay by me, and then voila, I had my pink scrub. Please take out 1 minute to help me subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also share this video to your friends. It'll cost absolutely free to do that, and then I would appreciate all your support. Also, do not forget that the colors are optional, the fragrance are optional, and you can also substitute fragrance oil for essential oils. Let me go ahead to package my pretty body scrubs. Do not forget to scrub a damp skin and not a dry skin. Also, this scrub can be used on the face if you do not have acne, because it is advised not to scrub an acne face. Alright, so if this is helpful to you, I hope you give me a thumb up and also help to subscribe to this channel. You can check my previous video where I made a lip balm, and you can check my next video where I'll be making a lip scrub. I appreciate every time you come here on my channel. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.